Hello everyone! Welcome back to my new video. If you're tired of dealing with monthly VPN subscriptions, don't worry anymore because you've got Tech Bytes channel to help you out. Today, I'm introducing Melon VPN. I know it's usually a paid app, but what if I told you that you can get it for free? Exciting, right? Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can get Melon VPN with all pro features unlocked at no cost. First, make sure you're subscribed to Tech Bytes channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your support helps us bring you the best tech tips and tricks. Once you've subscribed, head down to the description box below this video. You'll find a special link to download Melon VPN. This link is exclusive for my subscribers. Click on the link, download the app, and install it on your device. It's quick and easy. After downloading, you'll have access to every pro feature unlocked. No more monthly fees, just seamless browsing and top-notch security. With Melon VPN, you can browse the internet securely and access content from all over the world without any restrictions. It's perfect for streaming, gaming, or just keeping your online activities private. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.